10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Good afternoon. We have a little bit of rain again out there today. If you're under one of these showers, it's only bringing rain for just a few minutes. They move on their way pretty quick toward the southwest. And right now we have just a couple out there, as you can see, not much with these north of Taft. And also this one producing some moderate rainfall just south of Orange Grove and a few spotty light showers in Duval County. So this will be the case again tomorrow. We may see some of those, but like today, they're going to be pretty hit and miss the next couple of days. The temperature right now, we are at 95 degrees in Corpus Christi, feeling like 104, 16-mile-an-hour winds and temperatures inland touching close to 100, coastside 90 at Port Aransas right now. The heat indices over 100 at this hour. It's feeling like 103 right now at Rockport and Beeville and Robstown, 105 at Kingsville for that heat index right now. Lows tonight will drop down into those mid-70s well inland, closer to the coast, upper 70s to near 80, 77 at Corpus Christi tonight. The winds dying way down, switching around to the northeast, and then tomorrow that breeze only picks up slightly and temperatures make it to 82 at 9 o'clock, but up to 93 by 1. Topping out close to 94 in Corpus Christi tomorrow afternoon with the heat index around 102. So fortunately, the heat index is staying a little bit lower this week with that east breeze up to about 16 miles an hour. And these are the forecast highs tomorrow for the second day of September. Nothing too surprising here. Upper 90s inland, Corpus Christi 94, and coastside upper 80s tomorrow. So we have been tracking this tropical wave since last week. If you'll remember, we were talking about it pulling into the Gulf and bringing that moisture, which it's doing, but it is not directly coming here. Now it is expected to develop a little more in the next couple of days, possibly to a tropical depression. And as it does, it's forecast to go into northeastern Mexico. With that, the bulk of the moisture goes south of us, but as I mentioned, we might get a few showers and thunderstorms out of it, especially the farther south you live toward Kingsville and Falfurrias and southward, looking for some better chances of rain with this. Tomorrow, you can see by noon, we see some of those bands of showers starting to move inland. Most likely, they'll be more clustered closer to Baffin Bay and toward Clayburgh County, but we'll see some of those spotty showers across all of the area tomorrow, kind of like we saw today, and then tomorrow evening they die out. Now, this is into Wednesday. You can see, again, there's the focus right there, farther south, better chances of rain toward Clayburgh County and South Texas, but even north, you might squeak out a shower or two from this the next couple of days before we see the drier and hotter weather return. You can see the rainfall potential here is much higher south, Brownsville 2 to 4 inches, but as you go north, look at how it drops off quite a bit toward Corpus Christi and northward, where as you get north of Corpus Christi, 1/100th to only a half an inch of rain from this, and again, hit and miss stuff. Farther south, you could see a half an inch to an inch closer to Kingsville and as you head south. So right now, our dome of high pressure, our heat dome we call it, continues to stay to our north. This is today. Watch as I put this into motion. That's going to build right back in here for the end of the week, and with that over us, it's going to bring the temperatures up and shut down our chances of rain. So the end of the week and weekend does look drier for us. Meanwhile, we're going to be keeping a watch on Hurricane Dorian, still a Category 4, barely moving over the Grand Bahama Island right now, that eye. However, it is forecast to continue to start moving once again and basically move up the coastline of Florida as a Category 3, just paralleling the coast. Hurricane force winds possible with that, heavy rain and storm surges. They're not out of the woods yet with that system, as it's going to affect a good chunk of the coastline. Back at home, the extended forecast, we have that chance of rain through Wednesday, dropping off to just isolated showers Thursday. Temperatures come down a little and then they go right back up, and so does the heat and humidity starting to climb toward the weekend, and the breezes will pick up again by Sunday.